Italy. Do we have Italy? Okay, Norway.
Present.
Okay. Indonesia. Indonesia. Okay. Canada.
Present.
Indonesia. Do we have Indonesia?
Yes.
Okay, no
Present.
answers. Okay. Can you delegates be a little louder? Okay, Poland. Poland. Bangladesh. Do we have Bangladesh with us? Okay, Spain.
Present.
Thank you. Mexico. Mexico. Do we have Mexico?
I'll take over or you'll do it.
Okay, so our vice chair is here, and I think now she will continue with the attendance.
Yeah, I'll do it.
You can start with the starting, Ria.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'll do it. Italy. Italy is there. Italy, you can hear me. Hello. Siddhi,
Delegates, please reply.
Italy is there or not? Please, can you say me? Italy present. We'll move on to Bangladesh. USA. Bangladesh is present. USA.
Present.
Okay. China. Okay. Sri Lanka. Child. Ukraine.
Present.
Okay, thank you. Mexico. Mexico. Not there. Colombia.
Present.
Thank you. Switzerland. Not there. Singapore. Singapore.
Ma'am,
Child is present. Hello.
yes.
Thank you. Switzerland. Not there. Singapore. Peru. Not there. Netherlands. Not there. Netherlands is there.
Yes.
Thank you. Germany.
Present.
Thank you. Indonesia. Indonesia. Indonesia there.
Yeah, Indonesia is present.
Why isn't she replying to me? Okay. France. France. Portugal.
Present.
Portugal is there. Thank you. Belgium.
Present.
Norway. Norway.
Present.
Thank you. Pakistan. Pakistan. Not there. South Korea. South Korea is there. Thank you.
Present.
Saudi Arabia.
Present.
Thank you. Canada.
Present.
Thank you. Spain.
Present.
Spain.
Present.
Thank you. Australia. Australia is there. Thank you. Egypt.
Present.
Thank you. Austria. Austria. Not there. Saksham, I mean Afghanistan. Sorry. Afghanistan is there. Turkey. Turkey is there. Not there. Poland. Poland is there. Kenya. Kenya. Thank you. New Zealand.
Present.
New Zealand. Thank
Present.
you. Ecuador.
Present.
Thank you. India. India. Thank you. United Kingdoms.
Present.
United Kingdoms.
Present.
Thank you. Brazil. Brazil is there.
Present.
Thank you. UAE. United.
Present.
Thank you. Japan. Japan is there.
Present.
Nepal. Japan is there.
Yeah, present. Japan.
Yes,
Nepal.
ma'am.
Present.
Thank you. Russia.
Present.
We are done with the roll call. If I missed anybody, could you just tell me your country so that I can mark present? I didn't miss anybody, right?
Hey, I'm China. Italy present.
Italy present. Acha, okay. I'll just mark that.
Did you mark Japan
Anybody else?
present? Japan.
Japan. Just a second. Just a second. Yeah, I did. Anybody else?
China present.
China. Okay, just a second. Let me do it. Thank you. Anybody else? Nobody, right? Thank you. Vidhi, done.
Okay, so now that we're done with our attendance, I think we should formally start with the introduction. Namaskar and good afternoon to everyone that's present here in the orientation meeting. I'm really grateful that you all wanted to be a part of MSMUN, and thank you to you. So I am Vidhi Chandak and I will be the vice chairperson of your committee for the 3 days in which we will be running.
Hello, this is Miria. I'm the vice chair for UNGA. I'm here to help you out, and I hope we'll be able to address the agenda very carefully and very intellectually, so that we can lead to a solution which is better for all of the country to resolve to us. So we'll move to the agenda first of all, Vidhi.
Yeah, before that, I just want to say that it would be really grateful of all of you to just add your country's name in your Zoom's profile. Like if Ria's name is coming, Ria Gupta, so even we will add in front of our name chairperson or vice chair. So it would be really grateful if you would do the changes by today, so that that day we do not have any problems, because we really do not know you personally and we don't know how you look. So that will be a great help. Thank you. And also for people who are saying that their camera does not work, it is okay for this session, but during the MUN, during all those 3 days, we would want you and your camera to work properly, because we'll have to see that no one's speaking in some other way. So thank you so much, and we hope that your camera is working and that you change your profile. So yeah, let's get on with the session. We will start by the committee's introduction. United Nations General Assembly. You know, this committee is one of the 6 main principles of United Nations, which means it is one of the 6 or main committees, we can say. It is the only committee in which we have all the member nations which have equal responsibilities. That means that we do not have any veto power in our committee, and that means that everyone is equal and everyone's vote matters, and each vote is equals to 1. So yeah, And am I audible to everyone and am I clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, just say once yes or just text me that yes, I am audible. So I'll just carry on.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
as we all know, that our agenda is related to something that we are facing in the daily life right now. It is one of the most important, crucial topics that we could, pick and we could make young minds think about it. So, MUN is one of the best ways to get your lagging mind to, just work accordingly. So, that is why we have chosen a topic which is really convenient this time. So coronavirus, as we all know, it started in Wuhan and it started during December, but we did not get to know about it until January. And every country is facing a lot of crisis, and a few countries have overcame them, but after a lot of speculations and after a lot of hard work that they had to do. So coronavirus in today's time is one of the best topics that we could ask you to read upon, because right now it is one of the most hyped thing, and we just wanted you all to know what is it, and we just wanted you all to have a great understanding about it. And as per the committee we have, so the committee has generally 193 members in the general United Nations, but here in model United Nation we only have 40 countries. Even though we have 40, but it is a great matter to deal with 40 persons, would deal with 40 minds. So I would just like to say that it would be really grateful if you all just do research and very thoroughly. I don't want you all to just think of your country, but to research for someone else's country too, because that helps in an MUN. So yeah, Ria, I would like you to take over.
Yeah, Vidhi, I'll just do it. So as Vidhi already mentioned in it, will then this is a very recent thing. Whatever is going in in all over the world about the coronavirus, COVID-19, all of the into there. And here we'll actually discuss what is your country doing for it. What is your country's stances on the ongoing pandemic? How can you actually make things better for your country and make stances for your country so that General Assembly actually addresses your country and gives you the recognition for that post, so that you stand somewhere better than all the countries and all everything. Here we'll also discuss all the resolutions, so that what are in order, if future pandemic, if whatever happens in the future, will definitely, all these resolutions will definitely help us address lot of good things out of it. So here actually we'll go with the rules and procedure, so that you'll, because we have lot of newcomers, I guess. How many of you are the newcomers here, so that we can actually know the strength
Just
of the.
type newcomer or yes in the chat section. If you're a newcomer, it does not matter. You do not
This
have
is
to
the
be
first
embarrassed,
MUN for
because
you. Just tell me. Just type yes. Okay, there are a lot of newcomers. Okay. Lot of newcomers in it. Vidhi will proceed with rules and procedure. Yeah, it's enough. There are a lot of new. Actually, we have 60% of the newcomers and 40% have already attended
yeah. So looking
MUNs.
at the percentage of newcomers, we'll be starting with the rules of procedures, that how a committee works in a model United Nation, and what all you are supposed to do and what all you're not supposed to do. So Ria will start with the basics, and then I'll go to the next points.
So I'll take over, Vidhi.
Yeah.
Yeah, so rules and procedure. Rules and procedure are established in MUN so that that we can conduct MUNs in a very systematic way. It is a very formal conference where you actually don't know the person's name, but you know him by a country. Here you're gonna tie up with your allies, your friends, your country's friends, and help out for drafting resolutions so that you can pass your own resolutions. So United Nations General Assembly holds MUN for in order to speculate, in order to analyze everything on the agenda. So we'll begin with the roll call. Okay, there are two type of roll call, beginning with present and voting. But here, since all of our countries are important, so please note that you say present and voting. Only if you say present and voting, you will be able to vote in the drafting resolution. If you're not been able to vote in the draft, if you say present, you'll not be able to put forward your vote in the drafting resolution. Okay, is it clear?
Ria, I'm really
Anything to
sorry
add
to
on?
cut you, but what
Yeah,
Ria said is merely right, but one thing's wrong. It's that if you say present, that means that you have three options. And if you say present and voting, that means you have two
yeah.
options in the end. So there is this thing called draft resolution, which you all will be asked to make in the third day, which is the third session. And the drafting resolution, okay,
With
just a
your
second.
voice is cracking.
Just a second. Is it all right now?
Yeah,
Yeah, is it
yeah,
all right?
yeah. It is with
So
the.
if we're talking about present and voting, the difference is that we have something. Poland, you should check your internet. Okay. Shall I start? So yeah, the thing is that there is this thing called draft resolution in which you have to plot all your ideas, all your solutions related to the problem in the third day. That we will tell you in the committee when the first session starts. So in the third day, you will be asked to make a draft resolution, and then the draft resolution needs to pass, which means it needs to get votes. Okay. So basically, we are asked for votes. Then comes the role of present and voting. So first thing is, if you say present and voting, so during the time of voting, you will have two options. That is yes or no. So either you can say yes to the draft resolution that we agree with it, or no to the draft resolution if you do not agree with it. So that is the thing with present and voting. But if you just say present every time you're asked for roll call in every session, and if you just say present, then in the end you will have three options, which are first is yes, that yes, no, that no, we don't want to pass this resolution because maybe that does not match your thoughts or your country's policies. And third option that you have is abstaining. So abstaining is you can just abstain, or you can just cancel, or you can just say no, I don't want to comment. I just don't want to be a part of this draft resolution, and I don't want to comment on it, and I don't want to say either yes or no. So that is the thing with present and voting. So if you say present, you have three options in the end of abstaining too, and if you say present and voting, then you have two options which are yes and no by default. Okay, thank you so much. Ria, you can carry on.
So then we're gonna set up the agenda. Our agenda has already been set up. So we, the chair, gonna ask you, are there any motions on the floor? And you will be any of the country, any of the nation will address the agenda to the committee, and then we'll directly move to the speakers list. I'll explain you what is the speakers list. Speakers list is basically a formal debate where the default time is 90 minutes. You have to speak. You have to address about your country and your stances on the agenda, and for the default time being 90 seconds you have to speak. And then you can, after you're done with the list, you can also add your name again to the speaker list by adding a chat to us or anything to us, and just telling the chair or the vice chair for your name to be added on the speakers list. Speakers list is generally you have to speak about your country and the agenda on it on just 90 minutes, and just address everything you want to for like 90 minutes, and then we move to the next thing. After, Vidhi, is it fine? Speakers list, perfect. Anything to add on?
So it is usually called the general speakers list. and we will be addressing it as GSL because that is the short form of it. So GSL is normally one of your speeches with which we start. In that, you just have to tell a little about the problem that we're facing, or that means the agenda, the problem your country is facing, and how your country is, overcoming that problem. So you have to speak all of it in 90 seconds. So basically, by default, we have 90 seconds, but we can also change it to 60, 90, or 120. So that depends when the committee starts. You will be asked, are there any motions on the floor? And then you will have to set a time, and then we can start on with it. So if you have 90 seconds, that means you only have 90 seconds to complete your speech. If you will get one tap on 60 seconds that, yeah, 60 seconds are complete, and you will get two taps on 90 seconds, which means that 90 seconds are complete, and you will just have to finish what you were saying. So the question comes that if you're done with your speech in 60 seconds, so what will happen to those 30 seconds which are by default left? At that point comes the option of yielding. Now, yielding is something that you have some time left, and that you're giving that time to someone. So we have three yields. First yield is to the floor. If you're yielding to the floor, that means that you're asking all the other delegates to ask you questions. And if you're yielding to the floor, so basically people will raise their placards, and we will choose who will have to ask the question. And with the time that you're left, even if it is 10 seconds or 20 seconds, you will have to choose your yielding. And the person has to ask the question, and the person has to answer the question in those seconds only. And if you're not able to answer, if you're not knowing the answer of the question that the other person has asked, you can just say that I will answer to you via chit. So there is this chit system, which will also be explained in the later part. So you can just say that we will answer via chit. So that is the part for one yielding, that is to the floor. Second yield is to someone else. For suppose I am Germany and Ria is India. I spoke and I have 30 seconds left. So the EB asked me that what will you do with your left time? So I said that I will want to yield my time to India because we are allies, and yeah, I would like to yield my time to India. That means India already had 90 seconds, and India already had her 90 seconds, and if I'm yielding her seconds, she will have to speak. She'll have to get up and speak for those 30 seconds at the same moment, because I am giving her point, and I am giving her seconds, and that gets the person points. So these are the two yields, and the third yield is to give to EB.
We can also deny
What?
on the yield given. If you request, if I deny on the yield given, you can reject my.
Yeah, you can reject. The other delegate can totally reject the yield that I do not want the 30 seconds. And the last yield is to the EB, to the executive board, which means the time that was left is now dissolved. You do not have to do anything. The EB won't ask you any questions or anything. But it is up to EB. If you've given us the time, it is up to us if we are willing to ask you any questions or not. So that is not in your hands to let us ask questions or not. Even if your time is not left, we can ask you questions according to your speech. So that is it with the yields. Next up we have two types of debating. So from when the GSL is not over, but like 5 GSLs are done and it is getting really monotonous, then we move on to the next part. A motion's raised, and there are two types of debate: formal debate and informal debate. So the under formal debate comes GSL and moderated caucus. So moderated caucus is something in which you have to set a time. You have time for, like, the maximum time is 60 seconds. You have to set a time for 30, 45, 60 seconds. That's up to you. And then the person which has raised the motion for moderated caucus has to tell a subtopic to the agenda on which the debate